All right, guys, want to talk quickly about what to do when we're on defense and we have a goal kick. When we have a goal kick, it's important that we keep our triangle foundation, and we're going to have either our left defender, center defender, or right defender take the goal kick. Ideally, it's going to be either the center or left if it's on this side, or center or right if it's on the right side. And we want whoever's got the biggest foot, basically. We want the big booter doing that. I want my goalie staying in the goal, generally speaking. Now, the goal is to get the ball out to either the left mid or to kick the ball out to the left defender. But we want to bring it out here. This is the space, this is our ideal space, okay? If we can get it out here for the left defender to volley it up to the left mid, or if it's going this way, the same thing. And then the goal is for the left front defender and left mid to work together to overcome whatever offense is here, if it's one guy or two guys, and to volley it up to the left forward. As soon as the left mid or left front D is able to get it up to the left forward, then the left mid will proceed to trail the left forward and the offense will push it up the field. Same thing on the right side. Our idea is to get it out to the side and work in pairs, left front defender and left mid, and then left mid and left forward to move the ball up the field along closer to the sidelines. That's our alley, that's our lanes. Is a goal kick on defense, we never want to kick it down the center, okay? We want to avoid that at all costs. We want to kind of keep these side lanes as our fast lanes because our goal is to move it from a defensive position to an offensive position as quickly as possible.